DAF is introducing a new benchmark in transport efficiency. The sophisticated long-haul vehicles feature an aerodynamic design which is leading the way in the industry. Also significant innovations to the PACCAR MX engines, Traxon automated transmission and DAF rear axles contribute to a fuel efficiency gain of up to no less than 10%. Low vehicle weight and excellent serviceability contribute to class-leading payload and uptime. Exceptional aerodynamics. Excellent aerodynamic performance is a cornerstone of the new generation DAF trucks. Following extensive simulations and road tests, an extremely low air drag is realized by perfectly guiding wind around, through and under the truck. The result is a 19% improvement in aerodynamic performance, which boosts your fuel efficiency and your bottom line. Elongated cab front. DAF created the optimal vehicle design, resulting in a 160 mm elongation at the front of the cab, now possible thanks to the new European masses and dimensions regulations. Tapered and seamless. The beautiful cabs have a tapered and very smooth design with seamless cab panel fitting, ensuring airflows always stick to the body and air drag is lowered to the minimum. Curved windscreen. The large windscreen is curved and has a seamless connection with the A-pillar. DAF digital vision system. The mirrors are designed to minimize air drag and can be replaced by the DAF digital vision system for 5% better aerodynamic performance and 4% higher fuel efficiency. Air fenders. Concave air fenders guide air towards the trailer, which improves aerodynamic performance and contributes directly to fuel efficiency and lower emissions. Aero bottom plate. The aero bottom plate ensures an optimized airflow under the truck. This way the disturbances in the underflow are minimized for best aerodynamic efficiency. Aero seals. Aero seals are applied to avoid any airflow disturbances. Optimized under-hood aerodynamics. Many measures are taken to optimize under-hood aerodynamics, like the closures around the air cooler and the radiator, flow guides, deflectors, recirculation barriers and closed wheel bay covers. DAF is introducing a new generation of 10.8 and 12.9-liter PACCAR MX engines in the new DAF XG and XG+. With more torque and several new technical innovations that lift efficiency to an even higher level. The innovations are almost too numerous to mention, but they include a new engine block and cylinder head, newly designed injectors, a next-generation turbo compressor engine aftertreatment system. The engine aftertreatment system, EAS, delivers great performance, thanks to a new design and routing. A newly designed exhaust over chassis adds to minimize heat loss between engine and EAS even further for maximum efficiency. New generation transmissions. DAF new generation trucks have Traxon automated gearboxes fitted as standard to deliver an efficient, environmentally friendly driveline with great drivability. New key technologies include automatic drive-off gear selection, enhanced predictive features and optional urge to move. Smart Fuel Control's new predictive functionalities of the Traxon gearbox also include the latest generation predictive cruise control and new eco-roll functionalities that allow up to 93 km/h at the end of a descent. Optimized eco-roll prevents unnecessary braking and resulting energy losses. In addition, Preview downhill speed control, combined with the improved MX engine brake, removes the need for an intarder, reducing overall vehicle weight and adding to your efficiency. Highly efficient rear axles. The new generation DAF trucks are available with 8 and 9 tons front axles and a wide range of 11.5 and 13 tons driven rear axles with or without hub reduction and in combination with pusher or trailing axle if required. A full range of rear axle ratios ensures the best possible efficiency for every application. To further optimize efficiency, reduced oil levels and new pinion bearings reduce friction losses. A new generation brake calipers is applied which are lighter and even more robust, while new active caliper releases prevent friction losses when the brakes are not applied. Next level cooling system. With the new generation XF, XG and XG Plus, passive cooling is taken to the next level by adding flow guides for excellent underhood aerodynamics, a full-face air cooler to improve temperature management and cab-mounted encapsulation to enhance airflow. These features ensure minimal fan engagement through optimal use of every kilogram of air that enters the grille. And that simply saves energy. Excellent bodybuilder friendliness. The new generation XF, XG and XG offer excellent bodybuilder friendliness through extensive wiring prepared for quick and easy installing all common bodies as well as components like tail lifts.